So here's the long-awaited update. So we've not been any updates in a while, mainly because we haven't done anything with other commitments and things we've got going on. We just haven't managed to get a chance to work on Slam. However, we've just confirmed that we're going to go to Mod Nats on the 2nd of July. So we better put our finger out and get going on it. So I'll give you a quick walk round, update where we are, what we're doing, and hopefully we shall see you at the show and you can see it in the flesh. See the car's a bit of a jumper cell at the moment. What we've got going on at the back is a mass of early 2000s wiring. It needs going through. There's a big power cap in the middle. It's got some corrosion and stuff in it. We're also missing a screen. And trying to work out what everything's doing. So the project for today is to try and get the TV mounted and mocked up. The old one's a 42, the new one's a 50-inch LCD. We're going to have a look at converting everything to HDMI from the old SCART and composite leads that's in there. We're looking at upgrading the other monitors and stuff anyway, so it shouldn't be too much of a problem. So some of the door cards are broken over time with the weight of all the components and things in them, so we need to look at rebonding those back together. We've got some of the speakers and stuff out. We need to do some reinforcing to the piece above the TV because that's started to warp over the years. Bit of a walk around what we got out. So we've got the old TV bracket there. So we've got the front door cards, the speaker housing. Give the door handles a repaint. They've all flicked off over the years. There's a crossover that fell out of one of the door cards. 6 speakers and the 2 internal subs. They just need a bit of a polish up and clean up before they can go back in. Got the old speaker box there, all just needs a bit of a clean up. The 2 screens are one of the rear quarters, the other one's on the other side. We'll look at replacing the glove box handle. We've got a new glove box right in there. So either we're going to reskin it or replace the handle. The old center console there. So that's the TV sat in the original housing for the old one. Now it is a fair bit wider than the original. Now I think we're going to snip the edges a little bit and lose a bit off the sides, but there's a huge amount we can do about that. So I'm going to take this back apart again anyway and glue it all back in place. The original MDF's not too bad. So I'll fit the carrier back in the car now and hopefully the TV slots into place. So that's it for this update. There's going to be plenty coming on in the next couple of weeks as we go through. There's loads to do, and we've got, as I say, we've got a deadline now, so it's got to be in and done. But that's the new TV in. So the nice thing about this new screen, apart from the fact that it's larger than the old one, is being an LED screen, it only has about 190 watts power consumption, so we should be able to run that off a small inverter, and that way we'll be able to run the car all via its own power. The big thing with this car is none of the rear audio, so the audio or the TV, PlayStation, anything would run off the vehicle. Everything had a big plug underneath the car to plug it into, so we'd really like it to be able to run on its own if it can. So whether or not it's going to be done from Modnats, I don't know, but the car is definitely going to be there and it will all be together. We haven't got round to doing any of the bodywork yet, but that's such a massive job. We've got someone lined up for it, so that will be done later on in the year. We've got some other few little surprises to show as we go along. But yeah, you should be able to see at least we've made some progress with it, and we'll keep you updated from here on out. Catch you soon. Thanks, guys.